My friends, and welcome. Most people are tired not because they're working too hard, but because they aren't decided. Indecision drains your energy, while decision actually restores it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I help entrepreneurs turn the success principles from the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill into daily habits and identity. Welcome to day 15 of our Think and Grow Rich 90-day application challenge, where we begin replacing hesitation with decisiveness. Napoleon Hill is crystal clear. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly, if at all, while unsuccessful people make decisions slowly and change them quickly and often. That indecision creates internal conflict. It leads to doubt and fear and procrastinating, while decision actually frees up your energy for execution. So when you make a decision, your mind stops arguing and you actually start to move in alignment with whatever it is that you want to achieve. So making a decision is not pressure, it's actually a release. Now, here are your 3 action steps I want you to take right now to apply this principle. 1, identify one small decision that you've been postponing, something you know that if you did this, this is going to help you achieve your goal. 2nd, make the decision now and write it in 1 sentence. Make the decision to do it. Just do it, as Nike says. And then the last one is say this sentence out loud with emotion. I decide quickly and I act without hesitation. If you're watching this video as part of our daily discipline installation module, I invite you to click the link below this video in the resource section to access the action guide. Otherwise, I'm going to pin this in the comments as well. Now, let me ask you this. Let me know in the comment, what is the one decision that you've been delaying that you are ready right now to make? Let us know. 1 sentence, be direct, be honest with yourself. So decisiveness actually creates momentum, and that momentum creates the results that you're looking for. So if you're looking for accountability while you install this decisiveness, I invite you to click the link in the description to join our Think and Grow Rich Mastermind community. That's where decision turns into action. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been